I'm Nita.
And I'm Blake.
I'm one of the inventors of the Better Better. The Better Better is a giant headband that wraps around the sides of your mattress. You put it on once and it becomes a part of your mattress for the lifetime of your mattress.
And from then on out, you just simply tuck your sheets in from the top and you never have to lift your heavy mattress ever again.
Never again. When we invented this, our intention was to make bed making easy. And we have done that. Now, you no longer lift that heavy mattress and you simply tuck in from the top like Blake said. So making the bed is easy. And you can pull your sheets tight and they stay nice and tight. It holds your blankets, your comforter, your quilt if you have it. All that stays in tight. If you have an adjustable bed, you lift your adjustable bed, the sheets won't pop off. Now what it doesn't do is keep your sheets from wrinkling at night when you sleep. And that was never our intentions, but we did discover that if you use a flat sheet as your bottom sheet, you can reduce the wrinkles tremendously. Tell them what you did to me. This is how I know.
So I had to, I was making a video demonstration and I used my mom's bed as the demo bed. And I was showing how you can fit or put a fitted sheet into the Better Better easily. And so whenever I was done with the video, I just left the sheets on her bed. So she had a fitted sheet and a flat sheet. And before she had 2 flat sheets. So whenever she slept in her bed that night, she woke up the next morning and she was like, what is all these wrinkles? Like, what's going on? What happened? She discovered that she had a fitted sheet instead of the flat sheet from me that I left on there.
Yep.
So she quickly changed it back to 2 flat sheets, and then the wrinkles went away.
No more wrinkles at night. So
yeah.
I do
There's
know.
still a little wrinkles, but a lot less.
Oh my gosh. So I know firsthand that if you get rid of that fitted sheet and replace it with a flat sheet, you can pull those sides really tight along the side and tuck it into the Better Better, and the Better Better holds it just like it holds your other sheets and your blankets and stuff, and it keeps it tight, and it reduces the wrinkles by a lot.
Yes.
So like I said, our intentions were never to omit the wrinkles. It was to make bed making made easy, and I think we've done that. Considering we've had over tens of thousands of sales. We get lots of reviews about how the Better Better has changed their lives and made bed making easy.
Yes.
The few complaints that we get are about the wrinkles. So I just want to let you know that wasn't our intentions, but we do know if you use a flat sheet as your bottom sheet, it will reduce the wrinkles.
So little tip of the day.
Little tip of the day.
All right, guys. Well, we'll catch you next time. Have a great holiday season and see you soon.
Happy holidays.
Bye.
Bye.